Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Oncogenes cause tumors through mutations, so we need to find the best therapy to stop their expression quickly. Let's break down these biology options right now. To stop an oncogene, we must target the specific process that triggers its expression. We need a method that blocks the gene from being transcribed into harmful proteins very effectively. Option C is perfect because introducing a chemical that binds to specific transcription factors at the promoter directly prevents the gene from turning on. This is a highly targeted medical approach. Other choices like reducing ribosomes are way too broad and would kill healthy cells too. Therefore, blocking the specific transcription factors makes option C the only logical and safe. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs of overly broad treatments and always trust given molecular mechanisms to check steps.